What's up guys, Murray here with Murray's Mobile Mechanics and welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on a 2011 Chevy Equinox. This is a 2.4 liters 4-cylinder engine and we are doing control arms. I've done the passenger side and right now I'll show you how to do the driver side. So this car has been to a shop, they recommended control arms and they were asking for about $700, so we found good deals for the customer. $200 on the control arms and $100 labor. So he's a good customer of mine. You can see he gave me this beanie hat. Today is a bit chilly here in Arizona, so let me set myself up and then we go from there. So like I said, we've done the passenger side. You can see the ball joint is short right there and the control arm bushing is all blown out right there. So we got the new one. Let's make the comparisons. This is the new one. You can see how the bushing looks nice, and you can see we still have the ball joint covered in that plastic board. You can see it is solid. So right now I'll go ahead, set myself up, and then we get going. So it is safety first. You can see I've chalked the vehicle right there, and we got the jack stand and the jack. So I'm going to raise up the vehicle and I'll use my 22mm socket to take the Lugnuts off with the impact wrench right there, and then we go from there. So after taking the tire off, you have to make sure your car is secured because you'll be going under the vehicle. So you have to make sure it is secured and it doesn't hurt you. So we got a 21mm bolt right there, and we got the nut on the other side. And when you look here, we got the two 18mm nuts. But the bolt heads at the bottom right here, they are 15s, and then when you come this side, we got a cutter pin right there. We have to take the cutter pin out, and then we have to take that nut. It's an 18mm nut. So let me do that and then I'll bring you guys back. What's up guys, so finally I got the control arm out. You can see the bushing as well is blown out right there, and the ball joint as well. So these will cause a lot of vibration, clanking, and then just uncomfortable drivability. So that's why you have to actually change them. Tire wear is one of the most common symptoms. So the part number for the passenger side is this one right here, and the part number for the driver side is this one here. It comes with the cutter pin, and these control arms are courtesy of Detroit Axle. Efficiency in delivering and just good deals, and I'm not sponsored by the way. So we got our new control arm right here. You can see the bushing is solid, the ball joint is solid as well. So I'll go ahead and replace this control arm on camera, and then we go from there. What's up, guys? So the control arm is in. You can see everything is tight. The two bolts and nuts right here, the nut as well right there, and you can see the other bolt and nut are also tight. And the nut for the ball joint is also in. Don't forget to put your cutter pin just like so. And pretty much that's all it takes to do control arms on the 2011 Chevy Equinox. 2.4 liters 4-cylinder engine. So what's remaining right now is just putting the tire back on, torque it to spec, and this car needs to go for alignment. So that's all it takes, viewers. And you can see it's actually being done in the driveway. Very convenient for customers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more tips on how to fix your vehicles. Marais here with Marais Mobile Mechanics. I will catch you on the next one.